What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. Today is day 11. It is Thursday, so we got some bacon cooking right now.
Look, I just flipped the switch.
Gotta make some eggs with it and 4 corn tortillas. That's gonna be my breakfast. I'm extremely hungry, so get that scarf down, get to work. My daughter has a choir performance tonight, so I'm gonna try to see when I can squeeze in the gym today. It might have to be after her choir performance, or I might be able to go and swing a quick session in for my lunch break. We'll see. I don't know. I have to look at my schedule, but that's what we're looking like today. So if I do go to the gym, it might just be like a quick arm session and some cardio. I don't know. We'll see. But this is the thing about being a busy father. Excuse the noise outside. My client doing the lawn right now. I do trade service for service, so he's out there getting my lawn straight every 2 weeks. But to the mill, we got, what was I saying? Oh, that's part of being a busy person, like busy father, busy entrepreneur, busy whatever. You know, you may have a lot of life going on, but you have to figure out how you're gonna get yourself to where you want to go and not having excuses to do so, because I've lived with a lot of excuses for like a long time. So now is the time to not make excuses, but figure out a way to get what you need to get done. Now, while the bacon is cooking, I got an outfit on today. I got a pirate snapback on, as you can see there. We got the Faded Culture tee. We got some shorts here, Nike shorts with the Nike socks. And now is just time to pick the shoe that's going to bring the outfit together. The shirt I have is kind of like this color right here. That's the ones we got there. But I mean, I could also go with this. This would go with it as well, the cherry 12s. I mean, or we can go with the dunks. Dunks would flow, I think. Or we got in here the Bread 11 lows, and then I have another pair that I've been waiting to undead stock, but I haven't got a chance yet. But I don't think right now is the time. But I don't know. If y'all know what this is, let me know down in the comments if you're a sneakerhead. But those, I don't think I might wait for those. So, but let's go check on the bacon. I think I'm gonna choose the starfish ones today. Throw those on, go with the fit. I dig them. Let's go check on the bacon. We got 4 corn tortillas, 3 eggs, 4 slices of bacon, 180 calories for the bacon, 305 for the eggs. And I think per tortilla is like 15, so 45, 60 calories for the tortillas. So let's add all that up, and then we'll get the number. But let me scarf this real quick. I got to be at the shop in like 5 minutes. Nothing like a freshly cut lawn. Look at that Ezra. My boy crispy with that. Hit it with that laser line. Shout out to my client, though. Got it looking nice. What's good, y'all? Had a little bit of a break, so I went to go get some beef jerky. I enjoy the peppered beef jerky, 23 grams of protein. Got myself a cherry Coke Zero. But this is gonna be lunch. I'm saving most of my calories for dinner. Looking forward to the gym tonight. I am gonna be doing arms tonight. Maybe I might just isolate to either biceps or isolate to triceps or incorporate both of them. I don't know yet. But I'm gonna get to the gym later. I was supposed to go with my brother, but my brother doesn't want to go as late as I'm going. I have to go after 7:15, 7:30ish because we're going to my daughter's choir performance. So that's what I'm gonna do after work. I got 2 more haircuts. I'm gonna scarf this down. I hope you guys enjoy the barber clips that I've showed y'all so far. I did have my pastor reach out to me today, and he asked me to make a digital flyer for a future event. So I'm pretty humbled that he asked me. And I'll let you guys see that. I'll try to post that somewhere up here. I do enjoy, you know, making digital content, whether it's video content, whether it's like photography type stuff, or you know, flyers, stuff like that. I enjoy doing that stuff. So I'm gonna try to get that done as well, and hopefully I could put that right there by the time this video comes out. But other than that, that's the day so far. So I got 2 more haircuts, like I said, and then we're gonna get on to my daughter's choir performance. So let me enjoy this snack real quick. We are done at work, and we got Jordan. Say hi, Jordan. Say hi, Kai. Say hi, Michael.
Hi.
We are headed to, and my wife's driving, but she had to run in the store. But we're headed to my daughter's choir performance, and to go see her sing. So how do you guys think she's gonna do?
Good. Good.
Good.
But slightly kind of wonky.
Oh, messed up. Very supportive group, minus Michael's little comment he made.
She says that she sings bad.
No, she don't sing bad. She's gonna do good.
Yeah.
But that's where we're headed right now. So let's get to the choir performance. What's good, y'all? So it is the next day. I just got done with the haircut. I had a 6 a.m. appointment, did the beard work. Now we're about to go to the gym. Last night, after my daughter's choir performance, still didn't feel like vlogging, got caught up in some stuff, and was just spending time with my wife. So I didn't go to the gym last night, but y'all seen the day, just didn't get any gym footage because I didn't go last night. But we're at it early. Like I said, 6 a.m. appointment. Just got done at 7 a.m. Headed to the gym right now. Gonna go do some cardio and do arms. So let's get to it. Back from the gym, worked out with my boss. We did biceps, and I killed 25 minutes of cardio. Now we're back home, gonna change and get to the shop. I got, I think, 12 or 13 appointments today. Let's go knock them out. All right, y'all, I'm gonna let you peep the fit today. So we got the polo t-shirt on, got the Pirates brown and khaki fitted cap on. We got the cargos with the cream Vomeros. Nice little dad fit we got going. As y'all can tell, my hat is a little snug, but it's like a size down what I usually wear. Anyways, that's beside the point. We're here on lunch, and I got 8 ounces of chicken tenderloin and 4 of these corn tortillas. Going to down this real quick. I got an appointment coming in 10 minutes, and I got to get back to the shop. But here it is. Chicken, corn tortillas. Let's grub. Get back to the shop. I think I have like 7 or 8 more appointments. It's going to be a long day, but we can get through it. I'm hungry. Let's eat. All right, y'all, finally done with the day. I forget how many haircuts I had today, but I'm tired. My first one was at 6, went to the gym, had a full day after that. But yeah, I'm blessed. Blessed to be booked, blessed to be busy. Can't complain about that. We got more tomorrow. So I'm just excited for this week to come to an end. I'm ready for my days off. As much as I love cutting hair and being a barber and doing this for my job, I am still exhausted from it, still get tired from it, and you still need a break. So I need a break from work, and that's what this week is gonna be. So let's get home, let's see what we're gonna cook up for dinner, and then yeah, I'll let you guys see that, and we'll close out this vlog for the past 2 days. Sorry it took a minute to get this all, uploaded and together, but sometimes you get busy. Sometimes there's things that prevent you from putting out things that you need to be putting out, or the content you need to put out, and you just gotta take it with strides. So we're taking it with strides, and hopefully you guys enjoy this vlog. So we got some all beef patties for the kids, got salt and Kerrygold butter, got a ribeye for myself, and then a New York strip for my wife. Gonna throw it on the grill here and get it cracking. Got the kids playing over here. I don't know what Jordan's doing. What are you doing? You gonna jump? Go jump, babe. Why? You scared? Oh, okay. The boys will be nice. Tell them to help. Help her on. So we got all the meat on the grill. Just a little bit of salt on all the beef. Just gonna let it cook up. And then, yeah, this is gonna be dinner. So I'm gonna have that steak, probably with like 1 or 2 eggs, or maybe corn tortillas. I'm not too sure, but that's what dinner's gonna be. Got all the kids playing. So we got 10.5 ounces of steak. We got 2 eggs.
Mom, what is
Jordan's
it?
got rice and hamburger meat. What do you got, Jordan? Is it good? Hey, you, is it good? Kai, is it good?
I got some juice and some meat and rice.
What?
I got some juice and some rice.
Your eyes look all low.
What? No.
Maybe because you're Asian.
I'm not Asian.
Is it good?
Of course.
Is it good?
I'm a Native
Is it good?
American.
Yes.
I'm not Asian.
She has steak and asparagus.
I cuss, you cuss, we cuss for asparagus.
And then we found these Mountain Dew Zero Baja Blast. That'll pretty much sum it up for this vlog here. I appreciate everybody for tuning in, watching the video. Just a recap of today's calories, just to make sure that we keep some, some consistency here. 1,314, I believe. But I did put up little screenshots of each meal so you guys can see that, like, next to the meal. But yeah, tomorrow I have an early day. I have a men's breakfast Bible study that I'm going to in the morning. That's at 7 a.m. And then so I'm hoping to hit the gym before that. So hopefully we can get to the gym by 5:30 at the latest. Say hi, Kai.
Hello,
What's on your shirt?
Mario.
What does Mario say?
It's mommy time.
No, he doesn't.
Mamma mia.
What does Mario say, Michael?
Yahoo.
All right, yo.
Yahoo.
What does Mario say?
Hello.
What?
Say hi, YouTube.
Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Anyways, like I was saying before, I was really interrupted. Hopefully I can get to the gym by 5:30. And then tomorrow we have a long day at the shop. And then after the shop, we do have a outreach outdoor concert that we're having with the church tomorrow evening at 7. I play guitar for that. That's kind of what we've been practicing for in these vlogs if you've been keeping up. As y'all could see, it's never a dull moment in my home. There's always something going on, and I could truly appreciate that. 4 kids, got a lot of different personalities, and I love every one of these kids. But thank you guys for watching the video. Thank y'all for keeping up with the vlogs. Hope you guys enjoyed. Hope those who are watching these videos are enjoying what am I trying to say? Hope you guys are enjoying the series, because this is day 11 and 12. So we got 18 more days. I was trying to do the math real quick. 18 more days of vlogs. And I think I've been pretty consistent with the uploads. Some of them have been like 2 days in one video, but it's just because sometimes things happen, you know. But it is what it is. I'm gonna stop rambling now until tomorrow. I'll see y'all then. Appreciate everybody for tuning in. If you're not subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button, smash like button, smash that like button, turn on your post notifications. Until next time, God bless.